I'm Janelle Davidson and I'm 16 years old and I'm from the Penwood Seventh-day Adventist Church. I proudly wear the sash of Publishing Ministries, Public Affairs and Religious Liberty. I'm involved in 2 community service projects. One involves visiting shut-ins and praying with them and giving some of the necessities. And the other involves visiting the community, praying with others and sharing a tract with them so that they can come to church and build a stronger relationship with Christ. As I close, I would like to leave this thought with you. I can make a difference by proclaiming the everlasting gospel to others. Thank you.